Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. Unfortunately, my LinkedIn account has been banned. So in this way, I'm gonna tell you the way to check the LinkedIn username. But in this method, we will not discuss how to change it. So in order to check the LinkedIn username, I have randomly opened someone's LinkedIn account. So after opening up that account, you guys have to just simply click on this above URL, and here you will be able to see right next to LinkedIn username. Here you will be the username of the user. So you guys can just simply click on this and control C to copy, or you guys can right click on it and click on copy. So you guys can send it to anyone which you want to approach to your profile. And that's the method to check the LinkedIn username. And I'm telling you again that which is right next to LinkedIn account, like pk.linkedin.com/in/ and here is your username. So in order to check the any one of the username, you guys have to simply open up any one of your profile, and you have to just simply click on this. Here you guys will be able to see right next to your URL. Here is the username. And after here in this profile, you guys can be able to see the question mark is displaying. So you guys have to simply copy which is next to question mark and next to slash, and you guys have to simply select this middle area. And here is the username. You guys can send it to anyone which you want to approach to your profile. And I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.